It's 5:45 a.m. We're in Glendale, Arizona. And this is the morning after the rain. That's right. We got a pretty good thunderstorm last night. Lots of rain, but you'd hardly know it this morning. Maybe a few random puddles. And something that I saw along my ride, although I'm not going to show it to you because I have to go around them, were some trees that got damaged from the wind. It gets very, very windy when we get thunderstorms here in the desert. And here's something that I wanted to show you that I can do on the trike easily, much easier than I ever could do on a bicycle. I can stop. The trike is going to tip over. It's got 3 wheels. Come to a complete stop. Let traffic go by. Easy to move again. And you may have noticed that I'm wearing my brand new UV protection pants today. This is a new thing for me. These are running pants. They're very, very light. Plenty of room for me to bend my knees. I like them. They taper down at the ankle, which is the fashion nowadays, and I really appreciate it. I don't want my pants getting caught in the chain. I really don't even know what brand this is. It doesn't really matter. It's sort of generic running pants. I like the fact that these trees are appropriate for the area. Drought resistant. Let's see, what are they? I think these are palabreas or palo verdes, and there's some mesquite trees. Right along here are some beautiful, beautiful trees, nicely maintained and everything. Off in the distance, I don't know if you can see, looks like one of the mesquite trees lost a branch. It does happen, and I'm out early before the guys get out here and fix it. They'll fix it. Tough guys get out here in the heat. I just love the shade, and Phoenix is planting more trees, so there's more shade. It's nice. Okay, now we're going to be passing the trailer park for the old folks. The mobile home community for the age qualified. Great deal, I guess. Now that I'm in my 60s, and I'll be 70 in a few years, it's a very strange feeling to be the same age as old people, but I am. Back when I was a kid, my brothers and I, we figured anybody over 50 and up to 100 was about the same age. Now I'm finding there is a distinction. My dad made it to 96, and my mom will be 100 next year, so I figure I'm going to be around here for a while. Glad you're here with me. I've lived under beautiful clear skies, sunshine, and palm trees all of my adult life, and I want to stay here as long as I can. The trike really has been wonderful for me, and I'm just sorry I didn't get it sooner. But I was younger then, and I just didn't know. I'm older and hopefully wiser now. I've done a lot of things so that I can age in place here in my neighborhood, including hanging up my car keys many years ago. I can use Uber, I get things delivered, and mostly I just get out there and ride and enjoy. I like to ride every day, and on a morning like this after the rain, it's quite pleasant. Thank you for riding along with me the morning after the rain. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.